name is Luis Sanchez. I am the Food and Beverage Director here at Nick's Beverly Hills. And today I want to make you a margarita with a salted rim, but I want to make it a little different. I want to make my version of a skinny margarita. So my goal is to give you a tasty drink that is under 100 calories. And I think we can do it. So we're going to start by adding 2 ounces, or depending on how much you like your tequila, you can do 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of your favorite silver tequila. I like using Milagro. And then we're going to add fresh lime juice, about 1 ounce, which will be about 1.5 limes. And we're going to add 1 pack of Splenda, which is, a 0-calorie sweetener. Just like that. And believe it or not, we're going to add a little bit of water, which has no calories. So about that much, which was about 3/4 of an ounce. Then we're going to ice up. And we're going to shake. All that's left to do is to put some salt around the rim of our glass. And the easiest way to do that is just grabbing a piece of lime, running it around the rim of your clean glass, please. Only use clean stuff. And then dipping in some salt. We like using kosher salt here. And then you're going to add maybe a few more ice cubes into your mixer, and then dump the whole thing into your glass. There you go. And we're going to garnish with a lime wheel. And that's it. That should be under 100 calories. And taste is going to be delicious and guilt-free. So here you go. A salted rim margarita that happens to be a skinny margarita. One more time, my name is Luis Sanchez, and I'm here at Nick's Beverly Hills.